An Intercessor who could be part of a battle line Intercessor squad is the standard multi-role heavy infantry unit of the Primaris Space Marines. Intercessors are similar in combat function to a tactical squad of Firstborn Astartes or a Legion tactical squad of the ancient Space Marines Legionnaires. Intercessor squads form the beating heart of the Primaris Space Marine forces, harking back to the single armament squad tactics employed by the Space Marine Legions during the Great Crusade. Every Intercessor is armed with one of several marks of bolt rifle. These weapons boast superior range and stopping power to even the Holy Boat Gun, allowing Intercessor squads to level weathering storms of firepower that annihilate many enemies before them, that they can even bring their own guns into range. Against those few foes who survive the concentrated fire of their bolt weapons and the detonation of their frag and crack grenades, the Intercessor's physical strength and resilience is so formidable that they can withstand the most horrific wounds without falling, and punch clean through steel plating to rend the flesh and bone beneath. Amongst most chapters of the Adeptus Astartes, Intercessors form part of the main battle line. They are relied upon to hold their ground against on-rushing forces, secured key objectives, and wear down the enemy's strength with sheer weight of fire. Come build, collect, and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.